my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. Today we're making stickers, which is one of my favorite things to do with my Cricut, and it includes print and cut. So if you don't know how to print and cut, I have a video that's called Print and Cut 101. I highly suggest watch that if you think this video goes too fast. Sticker making is genuinely so much fun. It can be used for promotional material, it can be used for labels, it can be used for jazzing up some gift packaging, it can be used for so many things. Stickers are just awesome. Become a member of mine. It's $8 a month, and we have printable stickers, SVGs, sublimation, Glowforge designs, and so many other things. Party files, paper files, thousands of designs coming out for you guys this year, and already available to you, and I cannot wait to bring a ton of stuff to life for you this year. So stickers, let's do it. All right, let's go. All right, so to download our sticker set, when you go to auntie.com, you can go a few different ways, but the drop down menu is really the fastest way to get anywhere you want to go. So we're gonna go up here to styles and drop down to stickers. This is where all of the stickers are and any new stickers that I'll come out with, which I have a lot. This is the printable sticker set right here that we're gonna download. So you just click it and it's gonna go into your downloads, and it will be in a zipped folder like this. I believe it's this one. I've downloaded it a few times. And then you'll get each image that is a PNG with a transparent background. So the transparent background makes it super fast and easy to upload into Cricut. And these are also set to size at max size and use up as much space as they can. So let's go over to Cricut Design Space. And we're just going to go to Upload Image. If you're on your canvas, and it looks like this, you're going to come over here to the left side and click upload image. I don't typically like to browse, I like to drag and drop, so I'm just going to go back to my folder and I'm going to drag and drop whichever sheet. I'm going to do all 8 of these, but for now I'm just going to show you one so you guys know how to upload. You'll have to do this for each one of them. Unfortunately, for print and cut, you can't upload more than one at one time. So we're going to go with complex. Let me click simple really quick just to show you what happens. It'll dull your image down, and you don't want that. So you want to pick up all those nice, bright, vibrant colors. So you're going to click complex and click continue. And because it's a PNG with a transparent background, we don't have to erase anything. It's all ready to go. And we're gonna apply and continue. And then here is where you can see that this would be just the cut image, but we want it to be print and cut. We're going to click that. And we're gonna also name it. This is called circles and triangles and washi corner tabs. You can also tag it with Auntie Tay stickers. You can tag it with whatever you want to be able to find it later and upload it. And once it is uploaded, we are going to click it and add it to our canvas. And then Cricut's print and cut is 6.75 width max and 9.25. So for some reason the new Cricut Design Space is unlocked. We're gonna lock this to keep the scale the right way, and we're gonna put just our width to 6.75. And then we're good because the height can be up to 9.25. So I could scale this up to 9.25, but it's going to be too wide and it won't let me cut. And if you ever forget that number, what I like to do is just make it bigger than I know, and I'm going to click make it, and it's going to say project not compatible. Oh, okay, Cricut's changed it. So it used to say max size is. So now you got to remember it. So 6.75 is the max the width can be, and 9.25 is the max the height can be. Now let's click make it, and it's ready to go. So we are going to just make sure that we like it. Yes, we do. Click continue, and then you can send it to your printer. I'm going to show you right here. This is a bleed, and what the bleed does, you can either turn it off to save ink, or you can turn it on to make your stickers a little bit more professional looking. Basically, it will add a fuzzy color on the outside that is the color that the graphic is, which when you cut through it will create a colored line just in case your calibration is off at all. The bleed helps make up for any mistakes, but I typically use my bleed if I'm going to make sure that my stickers, I'm ready to use my stickers. When I don't want to use my bleed is when I'm going to photograph my printables with any flat lays or anything, because the bleed just kind of makes it look kind of fuzzy, and so you don't need to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to send this to my printer and I'm going to click print, and then let's go over to our machine and finish this up. So I'm using the Auntie sticker paper. I have links in the description, but I'm just going to print on them as normal. And then I'm going to just make sure that I'm going to have all my sheets printed out. I like to do this all at once before I cut them. So I just get everything printed as I want to. You can do one at a time. It's up to you, but I just prefer it this way. So then when you're putting it on the mat, you want to make sure that it looks exactly like it does on the mat. It can be pretty much anywhere on the mat. It just needs to be the same direction as the picture. And then I'm using the Explore Air 2, so I'm going to put it on the first notch underneath paper. If you're using the Maker, I like to use copy paper with less pressure. And then I'm just going to load my mat as I would with any other project, making sure that I'm properly loaded. And then the machine will begin to scan the registration marks. It'll scan all four sides and it should pick it up. If it doesn't, you can try closing the lid or using a Sharpie to darken the lines. And then you just let it do its thing and it will cut out your stickers. And our stickers are designed super cute and easy to cut with little embellishments like these little flowers. So they're ready to go and ready for you to use.